Today we are doing a tour of our laundry house in the rural village in Kenya. This is in Chogoria, in Meru in Kenya, which is in rural Kenya. And we're going in to see our laundry house. This is where we wash our clothes. And so we see the outside. This is where we dry them. We usually sun dry our clothes because it's very good to use the natural light or heat from the sun. And so we just hang them here on the lines outside. And we've planted a few crotons that will soon look very nice. Let's go in and see. So at the door we have a hand wash sink. This is where you do your hand washing. And beside it we have the tumbler dryer. That's the drying machine. And this drying machine can take up to 20 kilos. That means that you can dry 2 duvets or even 3 duvets in this machine, and it takes only 45 minutes to dry them. You can dry maybe like 20 towels and takes just like 20 minutes or even just about 20 to 30 minutes to dry them. And this is very good to dry our clothes in the rural village here in Kenya. And then we have our washing machines that we have in different sizes. This is because of washing different types of clothes. And as you can see, when you build a laundry house, it's very important to raise the machines from the floor. And that's why we've built that little place that we have placed them. We also have an ironing machine here on your right side. And then we have a marble or granite bench that we use to fold and to iron our clothes. We have a little room here which is a storeroom, and inside you see we have another machine which is actually a dishwasher that we are going to install later on in our kitchen. And this is a little room that we have here that we're going to put a few shelves so that we can keep our linen after washing and ironing. So it's very good to have this type of little room here. And here you can see we have our soaps and detergents that we have under the bench. We're planning to put a few doors here so that we can close up there so it looks nice and neat. And here you can see we are using our smallest machine, and we're already washing some clothes that we used yesterday. So you can see that it actually works. And it's very good. These are very, very good washing machines, and they're very energy saving. So this is what we use to wash our clothes here in the rural village in Chogoria, in Meru, in Kenya. And here we have a little bit of a bigger machine. And this is actually because we wanted to have an extra machine. And this one is a bit bigger, which you can see is 12 kilos, which means that it can wash a double or queen duvet without any problems. And that's why we have this one. And again, we dry them in our machines. It's important to have a tap that you can turn to the side so that you're able to put a tall basin if you want to wash your clothes in a basin when you're doing your hand washing. And so this is where we actually hang our clothes, and we've decided to plant those flowers like I said because we want it to look nice. And we put in those stones there that were a part of the hardcore after building, and we sorted out some and put them there so that nothing will come. And here we have our hand wash basin. It's a bit dusty, but we'll clean it up. So this is our hand wash basin that we use to wash usually our shoes and something that you want to just wash and hang there. So it's good to have something like that outside. And these are our hanging lines where we hang our clothes. And we have made the floor with just cement, and then we have made these cabro moldings or the pattern so that it looks nice. And this is really a place that we wash our clothes, and we planted a little fence around it so that the clothes are not very visible to the other side of the house, just so that we can hide laundry, a bit, so that it's not very visible when people are visiting our other houses. This is how it looks like.